Mera tha lakpaga loinana kalen thagi mahi morong lokpa amasung phau lokpa matamsu amuk yaurakle. Noney jilagi laufam kaya hojik phau munsilaktuna yengbada nungaiba matam oiri. Lakliba hapta ama anigi manungda lau khawbi thabak paikhanabagi-damak sem saba hongnare. Adubu phau pambina ising darka oiba matamda ising matik chana phangkhidabagi maramna kumsigi phauthok ase hantagadro haina lomisinggi puningdadi jingnaba adudi leitabadi natte. Kumgi mahi marong lokpa loiduna harau kumhai longhong khudongba amasung lairik laisu tamliba mahiroi singisu final exam sing thanabagi thabak sinbagi matamsu yaurakadore. Sahi loigadaba tha ani makai damak leiriba asida miyamna afaba thabak kaya tawbihaunaba isa na honaminachi amasung laingaknasu afaba policy program kaya sadaron praja miyamda phanghanbigini haina thajai. Angangsingbu haksang fanna tinjang kaijangdana thamnabagi pandamda United Nations International Children Emergency Fund UNICEF amasung Sip Sanghar Development Society SSDS na punna sinduna satkeba October gi tang 9 dagi 8 fawba numit ninigi Radio for Child Workshop on Routine Immunization and Nutrition Guwahati da laiba Radisson Hotel da pangthokki. Radio Professional da laiba Awang Nongpok State ki Radio Jockey District Correspondent sing Community Radio da thabak tawba mioi sing puna mioi chama henna charuk yakiba program aduda Manipur gi oina All India Radio Imphal gi District Correspondent taruk Program Executive ani amusung atai Community Radio sing da thabak tawba mioi tara henna charuk yaruki. Numit nini satikeba brainstorming workshop aduda routine immunization in Northeast, nutritional status of children in the northeast of India, gender barriers in the northeast affecting essential services in routine immunization and nutrition gi matangda khanna neinaki. Thoram aduda UNICEF India gi Chief of Communication, Advocacy and Partnership Zafrin Chowdhury, UNICEF ki Communication Specialist Alka Gupta, Regional Resource Center for Northeast ki Director Dr. Ashok Kumar Roy, UNICEF Northeast ki Health Specialist Dr. Ashish Datwal, UNICEF ki Nutrition Specialist Dr. Maulik Shah, UNICEF ki Social Behavior Change Specialist Lopar Murda Tripathi, UNICEF ki Communication Officer Media Shunya Sharkana Singba Yaukhiba workshop aduda Radio gi medium na angang singda matam sana tika thadokpa amasung masi oiba chinjak pija pithak piba gi matangda radio journalist singda achouba thodang lowinaba amasung social media platform singda advocacy campaign sathabinabagi matangda kupna khanna nainaki. 2014 dagi hauna UNICEF na chathaduna lakpa program Radio for Child Northeast Chapter and recognition of District Radio Partnership Assam gi Additional Chief Secretary Maninder Singh IAS na launch tobiki. Numit nini chupna satikhiba workshop aduda saknairaba paumi sing amasung Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gi official singsu saruk yaki. Noney jila yauna Manipur gi miyam gi nungaiba paw ama hairedi handak Noney jila gi Khongsang Station da terrain gari yaurakhiba asini haibatai. Lambi thong phataba amasung atoppa state singdagi potchai pusinduna mipang tangliba raija asida connectivity phagahanduna tourism sector dasu ahongba kaya uba phanglani haina miyamna panari. Ahanba Jan Saptadi Express adu Agartala station dagi October ki tang 13 da Bharat ki Rashtrapati Draupadi Murmu na lamthakhibani. Loinana October ki tang 13 dagi hauna Agartala Khongsang marakta ihan hanba oina passenger train adu chenba hauki. Train asi hapta da numit ahum lak haibadi ningthaukaba yumsakesa amasung iraida chengani. Amasung Agartala Khongsang marakta pung 3 minute nipugi matam lawi. Kilometer 50 sangba jiribam Khongsang maraktana pung anigi matam lawi. Amasung marak asida commercial stoppage ahum lay. Hauzik Khongsang station da station manager ani thamduna mathau tawhalli. Marak asida Khongsang Silchar amasung Guwahati Khongsang direct train service su thambina ba miyamna khorangna ngainari.